Hello and welcome to Sabrina's Digital Lounge. I'm so happy you're here. I created this channel because I know how overwhelming AI can feel when you're first getting started. Sometimes you just need step by step instructions without all the extra confusion. So that's exactly what I'm here to share, how I use different AI tools and how you can start using them too. This is my first time sharing content like this, so I truly appreciate you tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any helpful tips or suggestions on how I can improve, I'd love to hear them. Now, today, I'm going to do my best to show you how I create an AI avatar in MidJourney, step by step. So let's jump in. When I first saw AI avatars, I kept wondering, how are they making these? And more importantly, how are they making them talk? So, I just want to quickly show you how you can use MidJourney to create any type of image you want. For this image, I used the prompt, a professional black woman, futuristic lighting, digital painting. MidJourney begins working on generating 4 different images. Now, when you're creating avatars, especially if you want to animate them later, there's one thing you really need to pay attention to, the way the face is positioned. You want an image that's facing forward with a neutral expression because it helps with animation. But don't worry, I just wanted to show you how fast these images can be created. I'll go into more detail later on how to refine your avatars and get the exact look you want. And just like that, here is the final image MidJourney produced. See how quick that was? I made it through. I just want to thank you for taking the time to check out this video. As time goes on, I know I'm going to look back at this and be amazed at how far I've come. But right now, you're here with me in the beginning stages, and I really appreciate you. I can't wait to share more of what I'm learning so that you can start bringing your own avatars to life and creating different looks. So if that's something you want to learn, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.